Presented by your geometry geniuses.
Hello, I'm the real genius here. I'm such a genius that I invented a new species. Dog plus giraffe. Giraffe. And just so you know, I am so for illegal immigration.
Oh, obviously I'm the real genius here. I mean, immigration, really illegal immigration? I'm all for immigration, but not when it's illegal immigration. I mean, I know this guy, and you clearly haven't been to his mom's work. I mean, you don't even want to know what goes on there. That's my geometry book!
Now for some real geometry.
That was just some good old geometry class.
Good old class.
A point has no dimension. It's represented by a dot. This would be our basket hat with the dot. Since we couldn't have anything with no dimension, we represented it with a dot.
Or a point.
Line. One dimension represented by a line with two arrowheads but goes on with no end. We are showing this with two buckets with arrows on them, but this line should truly be never ending.
This is our line.
The plane. It's two-dimensional, represented by a shape that looks like a floor or wall. Extends without end, like the tennis courts.
Whoa! This tennis court serves as a really good plane.
Like a geometry plane?
Yeah.
Did you learn that in geometry?
I think we did, but you know.
Probably
we're all
talking while Albertson was trying to teach us.
Oh, probably.
Collinear points. Points on the same line, like the tennis balls.
Look at all these balls. They lined up in a collinear line.
I know, isn't that odd?
It's crazy. They're like collinear points, all in the same line.
Tennis balls are like points, and they're all on the same line. That makes them collinear.
Collinear.
Who knew?
Coplanar points. Points on the same plane.
Whoa, look at all these coplanar points.
Whoa, did you just say a plane? Look at that plane.
Not that kind of plane, you idiot. I'm talking about the coplanar points that are all on the same plane. Like a tennis court, not like an airplane.
Line segment or segment. Consists of two endpoints, not endless.
This is a line segment.
Array. Part of a line that consists of a point called an endpoint, and all points on the line that extend in one direction.
This is our ray.
Whoa, Uncle Ray's coming?
Not that kind of ray, Dumbo.
Opposite rays. If point C lies on a line, AB between A and B, then ray CA and ray CB are opposite rays.
This is our opposite ray. Opposite ray.
Opposite ray.
Na 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 na, just a boring square. I wish I was a pentagon, but I am just a square. I wish I was a pentagon, but I am just a square. My sides equal 4, but if I had one more, I'd be a pentagon and not a square. Na 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 just a boring square. I wish I was a hexagon, but I am just a square. If I was a hexagon, then I wouldn't care. My sides would equal 6 if they were made of sticks. I'd be a hexagon and not a square. I've always been a square, and it just isn't fair, because I've wanted more than sides that equal 4. Na 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 na, just a boring square.
Thanks to our little cameraman.
So cute.
We hope you like this presentation by your geometry geniuses.